Question number 4. A draws a bill on B for rupees 10,000 for 3 months. Just see the last portion of this question. Give journal entries in books of A. So just plot books of A so that we can start. Now A draws a bill on B for rupees 10,000 for 3 months. So the first entry I will do is for drawing a bill. Bills receivable account debit to B. The person who draws the bill is known as the drawer, and the person who accepts the bill is the acceptor. Maybe he is the drawee, and when I draw a bill, it will be bill receivable. So A draws a bill on B of rupees 10,000 for 3 months. So 10,000 here. Draws on B. So B is the drawee. Before due date, B requests A to cancel the old bill. Maybe he will be short of funds and he knows that the bill is going to be dishonored. So he only comes and requests, please cancel the bill. So for cancelling the bill, I will make a reverse entry for making the bill. So it will be B account debit. 10,000 to bills receivable 10,000, and this is now cancelled. Just the reverse entry of the first entry because I am cancelling the bill. Accept rupees 3,000 means accept cash rupees 3,000. So do the entry for accepting cash. Simple entry for accepting cash account debit. Cash is coming in. To B. Cash came from B, so to B 3,000. You accept 3,000 now. We will see what has to be done for the remaining 7,000. Okay, and make fresh bill of 7,200, interest being rupees 200, because he cannot pay 7,000 right now. What he says is take interest from me 200 and make a fresh bill of 7,200. So first interest charged on extended period needs to be recorded. So it will be B's account debit because I am receiving interest. So I say to interest is my income here. So credited to interest 200. Okay, interest charged on extended period. Okay, interest is charged on extended period. Now a new bill needs to be made. So for making bill, I will do bill receivable account debit to B, same as my first entry while making bill receivable, but the amount is now 7,200. Okay, now what happens is new bill duly honored. He pays the bill. So the entry B is paying the bill, that is honoring the bill. So the entry will be my bank will be increased, bank balance will be increased. So bank account debit, I am receiving bank account debit 7,200, and now the asset we are finished. So credited to bills receivable 7,200. Just see this question number 4 once again so that you know that how entries has to be passed step by step.